Hi guys, and welcome back to another Eden Project vlog. This is the rainforest biome, and obviously I didn't film an intro for that because I didn't film the intro because it was just kind of flowy, and I thought I'd do it when I get back. So yeah, this is the intro to that. So I'm going to cut to where I filmed it last, from where I entered the biome. But I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. Guys, this is like 50 foot. Now, the trick with these is you've got to make sure that you don't catch the end because people's germs. But then if you think about it, they're passing it through. Showers. Now that.
Yeah, I'm trying to get that on there.
Oh my god, it's even hotter. Guys, the worst thing happened. My card on my camera went full, and I got my phone out and I recorded all of it. And then I go to get the footage now, and it's not there. It's not there. The footage is not there. It's gone. Basically what I'm saying is there's no more video, because that's literally it. That's all of the videos before my card went full, and my phone doesn't have the videos for some reason. It's not coming up. Look, see, if my phone's plugged in and I press the import button, there should be pictures of all of it, but it's not coming up. Oh, I can't believe this happened. I have to end this video. Anyway, apart from that, use all the other videos. If you did enjoy this video and all of the other videos, don't forget to leave them a big fat thumbs up. And also, guys, give me questions, because I'm going to do a Q&A in another video soon. Oh yeah, disclaimer, the questions have to not be about diversity, because first off, you asked me questions that I may have answered in another video, which you can go check out, and there's some questions I can't answer because I don't know. Most of the time I don't know. But yeah, give me questions of daily stuff, normal stuff, and I'll make a Q&A. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another video.